Guys, welcome. Thanks for your interest in Investors Underground, which is now partnered with Profitly. Today, I want to cover an opportunity that you have to not only better your trading strategy, but profitability and consistency too. I've made nearly $2 million in the market, and I want to share with you exactly how I come to the market prepared each day, ready to execute trades. So you're probably wondering, who am I, and why should you trade with me? Well, my name is Nathan Michaud. I started trading in 2003, which was my college freshman year, and I've been full-time since graduating in 2007. Consistency for me took approximately 6 months, and I was able to pay for college. Luckily for you, I've made all the mistakes in the book, so you don't have to. Most of you probably know me from InvestorsLive.com. Each night, I post a scan with a watch list for the following day with my trade plan. And last but not least, Investors Underground. If you haven't heard of it, it's our live, real-time chat room that we started in 2008. Since partnering with Profitly, we're going to have a Profitly subscribers-only special. You'll have 2 ways to learn. Not only real-time in the chat room like everyone else, but I realize that not everybody can be there full-time. At least 3 times per week, I'm going to provide a trade recap, approximately 5 minutes each, which will be easily identified and stored so that users may review it at any time. So you're probably wondering, what's so great about the chat room? The best way to describe the chat is it becomes a required tool for trading. Most of you probably subscribe to live data, streams, or different scanners, and maybe even a news feed as required tools for trading. Once you're in the chat for a month or 2, you'll quickly realize that you can replace half of those tools with the chat room alone. The chat room isn't just a bunch of new traders trying to learn, but rather many well-seasoned traders in one community due to our speed, accuracy, and lack of noise that you'll find anywhere else on the net. We're live every day between 8 and 8:30 a.m., straight through the bell, and then right back at it later in the evenings while preparing scans for the next day. And one of the best things about it is if you ever have a question, we're easily accessible via private message any time of the day. So your next question probably is, what if I don't get it? How do I learn? If you want to start trading more profitably and more consistently, every other Sunday night, we get together live in a webinar to cover recent trades, trade setups, and how we'll prepare for the week ahead. Not to mention, we have over 3 years of archives, including PowerPoints, seminars, and most recent webinars. This is an attempt to allow you to learn to trade just like me, anticipating the trades on your own. All webinars are member-driven. You post the questions ahead of time, I answer, and then we open it up until all questions are answered. I've already paid my market tuition. I want to help you avoid the same mistakes that I made when I lost $20,000 to $50,000 a trade. I've paid my dues to the market so you don't have to. I'll teach you exactly what mistakes I made so that you can avoid making the same. Think about it. How much would you pay to avoid a $20,000 loss in the market?